Why do business owners join our apprentice coach training program? For some business owners, it's the ability to increase their networking skills, to improve the way that they get clients. For other business owners, it's the ability to improve their communication with their people. After all, business is more about connection with people in life, relationships, business, wellness, spirituality, than it is about business by itself. After all, there's no such thing as a business problem. They're all people problems. So once we understand how we can coach our people, then we end up becoming business leaders rather than business owners. And it's the business leaders that make the real money. So if your goal for 2019 is to transition from being a business owner to a business leader, then the Apprentice Coach Training Program will be ideal for you. Contact me at john@johnverway.com for more information. That's john@johnverway.com. Let's talk soon.